Welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to explain how you can use a redirect chat component in your chat flows. So please note that this redirect chat component is common to all the chatbots across the BotPenguin. So be it's a WhatsApp chatbot or a website chatbot or an Instagram chatbot. This is common to all. So let's just click on edit your chat flow. So I'm assuming flow 2 is my default chat flow. Okay, so let me give you an example first that why do we need to use the redirect chat component. So let's assume that I am running a health and fitness business and I need to redirect my users to different chat flows on the basis of the user's needs. Okay, so I have used this single choice question here in my chat flow. I'm asking the user to select one option from these, okay, whether it's strength training or nutrition guidance that they're looking for. So now I will put up this redirect chat component. Actually, I need to put up two components. Okay. So this would be my component number 1. Okay. So the component number 1 will redirect to strength training. And then this is my component number 2. And this will redirect to nutrition guidance, right? So now I need to configure them here. If the strength training is chosen by the user, then redirect number 1 will be triggered, and if nutrition guidance is chosen, then redirect number 2 will be triggered, right? And this is the way to do this, and that's it for today's video.